If you're a small business owner, there's a brighter way to buy life insurance for yourself and your key employees. With a relevant life plan, the business pays the insurance premiums, not the person who's covered. This means it's highly tax efficient for the business because the premiums are normally tax deductible. And it's highly tax efficient for the people being covered because the taxman doesn't consider the premiums a benefit in kind. It all adds up to an affordable benefit that you and your employees will really value, that makes you look good and saves you money. Here's an example of how it works. If you run your own company and you pay £1,000 a year for a life policy from your own post-tax income, it's probably costing you more than it should. For starters, if you're a 40% taxpayer, there's income tax and 2% employee national insurance contribution, plus 13.8% employer's national insurance contribution. In fact, after 20% corporation tax relief, the net cost to your company works out at £1,570. If you pay £1,000 a year for a relevant life plan, you won't pay any national insurance contributions or income tax on the premiums, but you still get the 20% corporation tax relief, which means that the net cost is only £800, a saving of £770. How smart is that? And a Royal London Relevant Life Plan gets even smarter. With our plans, you might even be able to increase the level of cover without the need for the person covered to answer any further medical questions if they get married, have a child, get a pay rise, or move home. However, as the employer, you would need to apply for the increase on behalf of your employee. And if an employee decides to move to another business, providing their new company is happy to pay the premiums, they can take the plan with them. If not, they could even take over the premiums themselves, though unfortunately they would lose some of the tax benefits. The people covered, their families, and the business also benefit from our Helping Hand service. If the worst happens, this offers the family bereavement counselling to help them cope with their loss. Also, if any of the people covered or a member of their family were diagnosed with a serious illness, Helping Hand offers access to a personal nurse advisor who, amongst other things, could put them in touch with support groups, recommend treatments, and offer therapies. We also think it's only fair that Helping Hand looks after the business. So, if the person covered dies, Helping Hand will put the business in touch with expert recruitment specialists to help find a suitable temporary replacement. Helping Hand is designed to bring stability to your business and minimize stress at a difficult time. And in your case, that's vital if your family is the beneficiary of your estate. And when it comes to paying claims, you'll be glad to know we have an excellent payment history, paying out 98% of life claims made in 2014. Our dedicated claims team will manage the claim from beginning to end. And because we make sure the policy is set up through a discretionary trust, the payout will reach the family as quickly as possible, and normally free of inheritance tax. Finally, if you're thinking, Royal who? There's no need to worry. We're the UK's largest life and pensions mutual, with over 5.3 million happy customers, which means if you choose one of our policies, you'll be in excellent company. So, for life cover that gives you more but costs less, talk to your advisor about whether our relevant life plan is right for you.